Hey guys! Today we're going to be putting in a beautiful grapevine on my trellis. I've had these vines die off, so we're going to take them down and then put in the grapevine. So let's get started. The beautiful grapevine is in and hopefully going to be very happy in its new home. I will probably get a bag of manure for my established grapevine and share some of it with this one. And then whenever I've got my okra in, I'm going to mulch the whole garden. So I'm going to hopefully bring y'all along for that. I will go ahead and show you my established grapevine as well. It's looking extremely happy. Still waking up. By the end of summer it'll be very overflowing, and I haven't trained it specifically for the growth of grapes, although it does produce. It's more for aesthetics. So you see how huge it is. Just towers over me, which I love. So the other grape is going to be the same way. I'm just growing it for shade, not necessarily for grapes, but we will get the benefit of having some beautiful, healthy grapes as well. So, all right, good gardening, y'all. Bye.